In this recording, we will go over adding fees to your programs. You're going to go to your program that you want to add fees to, go to the Fees tab and click on Edit. And from here, we've got a couple of options to go over. You have an online payment option of must pay in full at checkout, minimum deposit required at checkout. So for those of you who are doing summer camp registrations, think of this as $20 per week down, and they can pay the rest on some type of template basis. Or check off may pay later. Now, what that means is that they can register online for that week of summer camp, but they'll have the option of not paying for it during the initial checkout process. And fee type, we can come in here and we can say we have a resident fee and a non-resident fee, and we can restrict that so the system will recognize who's a resident and who's a non-resident. And then we'll just type in the fee amount over here and check off Show on Portal so that they can register online. Now, for some of you who have early bird fees, discounts in the very beginning, or maybe you allow your residents to register before your non-residents. If you hit Show Advanced Options, you can select an effective date range for when that fee will be visible on the community site. You can also restrict by memberships here. So for those of you who do swim lessons and your pool memberships get a discount, you can check off the box for the specific membership that would get a discounted rate. And unless they're included with an active membership, they will not be able to receive that discount. The big thing to keep in mind is if you do decide to use this fee effective date range is to make sure there's no gap between when the fees are effective and the dates that you list as the enrollment period on the program info tab. And you can have up to 12 standard fees. Now they can only select one standard fee during the checkout process. Add-ons, however, are something that you can add in if you want them to pay extra for certain things. So if you want them to pay $15 for an extra t-shirt, you can show on Portal. You can add extra information here, and they can select multiple options from this list. However, they're only going to be able to do it in quantities of one. So if they choose the add-on of t-shirt, it will only select one t-shirt add-on. And then click Save. And that's all you need to do for adding fees to your programs.